Dear sales champions, do you know that there are lots of your old customers who are not buying from you now? Are you still in touch with them? It has been found that there comes a time when an old customer wants to buy from you, but they don't figure out that how to approach you, and many of them just hesitate to contact you. As per one research, this also has been found that 1 out of 2 existing customers of yours will buy from you, and also 1 out of 4 old customers will definitely going to buy from you. Keeping this in mind, it is very important that you continuously be in touch with your old customers, but you have to make sure that you don't pester them, don't do the hard selling. They will definitely buy when they really have a need, provided you are continuously in touch with them and you are following up with them with some value added mails or some videos or some other methods which he actually likes. So you got to be calm, professional, and stay focused. They will definitely come back. Best of luck.